Word problem number 2. It says Miss Kitts, so let's read and mark up our text. Miss Kitts works at a music store. Okay, well, I don't really care about that. I'm like, last week she sold 6 more than 3 times the number of CDs she sold this week. Okay, well, I need to have a variable for, I don't know what the variables are going to be. So let's just hold up. So I know this is going to be important. I'm going to put a little star. Miss Kitts sold a total of 110 CDs over 2 weeks. Okay, well, that's like a separate equation right there. Okay, cool. Which system of equations can be used to find I, the number of CDs she sold last week? Okay, so I'm going to write I equals the number of CDs sold last week. Okay. And T. Okay, T equals the number of CDs she sold this week. So we're going to write a system of linear equations to figure out how many she sold this week and last week. So we just named our variables. So last week, she sold 6 more than 3 times. So 6 more than 3 times would be 3 times whatever she sold this week. So T is the number she sold this week. 3 times that plus 6. So I is 6 more plus 3T. Now the other equation, she sold the last 2 weeks, so I plus T will equal 110 CDs. Okay, so now we have to figure out, this is our system. Which system of equations can be used to find this? Okay, well, here is our system of equation. We're technically done. It doesn't say how many did she sell, but let's continue. We're going to figure out how many she sold this week and last week. I is this last week, T is this week. So we have isolated one of the variables. I is isolated. I. So we are going to substitute the value for I is 3T. So I'm going to write right here plus T into this equation. So 3T plus 6 plus T is equal to 110. Now I'm going to combine like terms and solve for T. How many CDs I sold this week. So I know I can combine 3T plus T. 3 T's plus a T is 4T plus 6 is equal to 110. Now I'm going to isolate for T, get T by itself. I'm going to subtract. The opposite of plus 6 is minus 6. And so I get 104 is equal to 4T. Now I know 4 times 25 is 100. So if I divide by 4, I think it's going to be a little bit more than 25, which it is, which would be 26. Now I'm going to take that answer, and I know that if I plus T is equal to 110, I know I can plug in 26 and figure out what is I. Something plus 26 equals 110. So I just need to subtract by 26 on both sides, and I will get 84 is equal to I. So then I equals 84, T equals 26. That would be our solution. Now, on a quiz that says write in a full complete sentence, you would say the number of CDs I sold last week was 84. The number of CDs I sold this week is 26. All right, thank you for staying with me to solve substitution problem number 2.